whining's gonna start now. All the birds and the dogs are gonna start whining. They know I'm live. Right? There she comes. Here comes the biggest whiner. Last time you sat on my lap, Coco, you clipped like half your feathers. Go sit with Newman. Go sit with Newman. How's everyone tonight? No, you're gonna have to stick Newman over there. And Duncan. Look at Newman and Duncan. YouTube's looking at Newman and Duncan, and Facebook's looking at Coco. No, I got a stupid cold. It's just a baby cold, though. It's not like sick. It's just a dumb cold. I think Brad's pretty tired of me. It's always something. How'd everyone's day go today? My butt's better, though. My broken butt is much better today. I was able to do bar method to get my socks, my rainbow socks. Yeah, same cold. I did get food bank socks, though. Excited about those. I don't know what I'm going to wear them with because I don't think I have anything this color. Oh, actually, no, I do have blue. I do have blue pants to wear with them. I don't know if they're going to match exactly, though. I have these little candy cane socks. See? This is my sock. You guys are in. I brought you guys into my sock world. My secret sock world where I have the obsession with these stupid socks. So these are the candy cane ones. And all the money goes to food bank. So it was a good investment. And look at the grip is the same color as the sock. Nice, eh? I like those. They're $30 each. But the money goes to the food bank. You got a cold? You're healing from a wisdom tooth? Oh, that's terrible, Angie. Sorry. You're eating pie. That's yummy. My rainbow socks I probably get next week. Thank you, Betty. You have a sock collection too? What kind of socks do you have, Burb, love? I looked at these. These are not hospital socks, okay, guys? Whoever said they are hospital socks, they are a level over hospital socks. I don't have anything white, and I don't have anything red. So I can only wear these with that blue or black. So I'm excited about that. They have these challenges. If you do like 20 classes in a certain amount of time, you get socks. If you do 15, you get like, sometimes they give away fancy underwear from the special stores. You get gift certificates. If you do 30 classes, you get like a hoodie or something for with the bar method on it. Oh, thank you, Betty. Thank you, Cam. So they have that sort of challenge. It's kind of, it motivates you. Like I wouldn't have gone today if I didn't get that. If I didn't have to get that last class for the rainbow socks. So you have socks with birds or animals on them, and Japanese socks with a big toe in its own pocket, decorated with bunnies and flowers. That sounds nice. I want bunnies and flower socks. How's everyone? How's everyone tonight? Hello, Ark. Helen Ark. Ark, as in like Ark. She's got an ark of animals. You have hospital socks on right now, Palma? You got macaw and cockatoo socks? Oh, we need to do a Coco sock collection. That's it. Izzy can't get up. She needs a hand. Here, do you want me to help you? Here. Here is. Here is. You need help? Here. There we go. Oh, I got this. You should go where it's not slippery. Oh. You want to go over here? There you go. Just want to be around in a minute. We need a Coco Town sock collection, don't we? I'm gonna do. That's my next project. Going to decorate with big toes for Christmas. Can't believe you have a wisdom tooth pulled. This. I mean, you're not like 20 or anything, Barbara, are you? You have SpongeBob socks. We need to do cockatoo socks. I had, we did Coco socks once. Who had them? They were blue with Cocos all over them. Blue with Cocos and red hearts. And people were like, oh, I don't like that color. I wonder if that company still does it. You had your wisdom tooth pulled out at 73? My hair lady has the cutest golden retriever high tower tennis shoes. Macaw and cockatoo sauce. Golden retriever tennis shoes. Each bird on their own toe. That would be cute. You can't wear your socks till after surgery. Oh my goodness, Burp. You're in a mess. Thank you, Terry Ann. Thank you. Yeah, the socks with the multicolored toes. Yeah. Oh, your tooth was cracked. That would have been hurt. Cockatoo slippers. Yeah, we gotta do that. I got a million ideas. Okay. Newman, you leave your water alone. Stop. Here. You want to go in there with you? Leave it. Don't you jump on me. I'm cleaning everything so that I can go to wedding dress shop tomorrow morning. So when you clean everything, you kind of got to corral the birds into one spot, and then once then you clean around that spot, and then you put them in their cages, and then you clean in the area that you corralled them to. You have a learning disability called autism. You have parrot crocs. I have Margaritaville crocs. They're really nice. They got ice and a shot glass and a bottle opener on them. She's just showing off to Newman. Anyways, so now Duncan's cage was cleaned. and Newman just threw water all over it. And then Sid's cage was cleaned, and she decided to have a bath in it. So now that needs to be cleaned again. Basically, I'm cleaning up into Izzy. I corral them into the kitchen. After the live, I'm going to clean the bird room. And then once the bird room's clean, the birds go in their cages. And then I clean up this area. We're doing great, Caroline. Thank you. Thanks, everyone, for joining. Yeah, wonder what the parrot crocs look like. Thank you, Crystal. The bird sitter. You saw my Crocs, Kim Marie? I'm too scared to wear them because then I lose the attachments. You smell like cocoa? No, they're only the parrot. Oh, right. Well, the margarita. These are the Margaritaville ones. They only made them once. See, it's got the salt, the lime, the parrot, and the ice. And then I wonder if you can still get them. The umbrella and the ice and the shot glass. See, I wore them once, and then I lost the shot glass, and I lost the parrot. But I got replacements, and then I gave my daughter the other ones. I don't know if you can still get them. I know they were limited edition before. I have random stuff, people, that I save and don't use. So we've gone from socks to Crocs. Is that what your parrot Crocs look like? They closed the Margaritaville restaurant in Vegas. It's not a good sign. You need alligator snapping turtle Crocs? I got mine on eBay. How do I manage to sleep at night? I listen to true crime in my ears. Do I wear my socks with my Crocs? I'm gonna maybe I'll wear my Bar Method socks with them. You've been cleaning out all of the random stuff you're not using. So are you actually getting rid of it, or are you having a hard time saying getting rid of it? Look at those cute emojis. You guys on Facebook don't know what you're missing. See the emojis? Can you guys put the emojis up so I can show the Facebookers? See, there's macaw, there's kiwi. There's cookie. I wish they'd let me have the emojis. Okay, so we got the Coco, Roo, kiwi, Newman, Coco. They're really cute, see? I wish Facebook would let us do that. They make kids Crocs with built-in socks. Oh, then we got Dancing Sid. Ugh. See? Look at them all. They're really cute. They need to do them for Facebook. You got true crime going on between your ears. Tonawanda, I remember that town. They used to always talk about it when I lived in Toronto. You got the Crocs from Rack Room Shoes online. Let's see. Yvonne. Trying to figure out which ones you got. Oh, we got Australia in the house. Thank you, stars, people. My website is, I closed my Facebook one down because it was just costing me. So that one's gone. I do have one on my YouTube channel. Dick's has them too. What kind? Parrot ones? You listen to Historian to go to sleep? Yeah, that sounds really boring. They did the weather in Tonawanda. I used to watch. When I lived in Toronto, they played the U.S. news. Buffalo news. This was years and years ago. I think it was a Buffalo. We had a U.S. station. Name some, and I'll think about. It wasn't Fox because they didn't have Fox back then. ABC, CBS, NBC. You listen to the radio? Oh, you get the decorations. I see. You can get all kinds of decorations. Do they have cockatoos? North of Buffalo. Yeah, we used to have the Buffalo Sabres, is it? Protect your cookie, save Sid from Newman. He did. He was good. He was always making sure everyone did the right thing. Right, Coco? Rue's just in there trashing the place so that I have to clean it more. The Proclaimers? No, I haven't heard of them in a long time. Yeah, it was the Buffalo Sabres they always showed on the channel. So what's everyone doing this weekend? Who shopped today? What'd you get? I've never heard of that. That's gross, Candy. Don't tell me that. Ew. You're in Scotland. That's far. What kind of birds do they have in Scotland? You're resting? You shot from your recliner. What did you get? Anything good? You went to the casino. You went to Michael's. Yeah, I don't even like going to the grocery store. I'm gonna start doing that order. There's a grocery store by us, Save on Foods. most of their shoppers are online shoppers. Like, there's rarely anyone in there, but there's trucks and trucks and trucks of delivery trucks. You're resting from cooking from Thanksgiving. You got pillows. You cleaned and organized your closet. I love that. You wrapped Christmas gifts. It's going to the 20s tonight. You got pillows and towels. Burb loves taking care of medical business today. You sat, recovered from cooking. You had 4 kids under the same roof. Are they gone now? Ooh, that sounds nice. You bought a leather handbag from Patricia Nash. I bet you can get those nice minky blankets really cheap today. Actually, no, I know you can. I saw them. They do So Sweet Minky. They do these live sales, and they sell the Minkies live. Grown Up Too went home last night. You must have been, like, your head must have been spinning with 4 kids in the house. It's like when Jen sits here, I'm like, ooh. Physically going to grocery stores. As old school it is. They're so organized with those delivery drivers. I see at the superstore I go to, they have like this giant cart with all these baskets on it. And they just go up and down the aisles. Got a light and an electric throw. Oh, those are nice. It's hard to tell the 29 and 30-year-olds from the 13 and 15-year-olds when they're together. Oh, really? She did get a Grinch plate. Minky is having a Black Friday sale. Two Pinky couture blankets, and I love them in pink. What? Oh, Minky. Yeah, I love my Minky. Love my Minky. Where's Coco? Look at, you guys are looking at 3 birds and you can't even see them. Kiwi's head is hidden behind Newman's butt, and Newman's head is hidden behind the blanket, and Duncan's head is in her feathers. Cindy's having a hard time recovering from COVID. Cosmo imitates. Ugh. Newman and Sid do that too. Right, Newman? Achoo! Chew! He's thinking. They love those songs. You don't have a Minky blanket yet, Lisa? What? They're beautiful, and they're so soft, and they're heavy. How's my family? Really good. We're going to pick out a wedding dress for helping Jensa pick out a wedding dress tomorrow, so that's the big deal. If you go to, thank you, Kira. If you go to So Sweet Minky, SEWSWEET Minky, M-I-N-K-Y. They have really nice ones. You are cage watching. Meanwhile, Coco's on me. Here, you go play with Newman. Go get Newman. You're pulling out your feathers with me. Everyone wants to see you, not... Uh-oh, your parakeets are doing the shenanigans, bedtime shenanigans, eh? Cosmo keeps saying I'm sick. Just getting married next year in September. You're double timing? Ah. Thank you, Spectra. Yeah, thanks. I think we need the luck. I don't know what to say. I'm more stressed about the wedding than she is. What are you doing, Coco? Are you playing? You love bedtime shenanigans? That one, the one I posted this week, I thought for sure she wasn't going to want to go to bed, so she surprised me and she just went right to bed. A Minky is a big soft blanket that's heavy. You got a white Minky? I'll show you what a Minky is. I have to have it on my bed. It's like a big plush soft blanket that's heavy and super soft. Daphne sent me this one. It's so beautiful. I can't sleep unless it's on over top of me. I love it. I got my daughter one, but she drapes it all over too. It's not that fleece, it's the soft, it's not faux fur, it's soft, I don't know, it's soft, super soft, high-end plush, kind of. It's really soft. You sleepy? Yeah, you can wash it. Yeah, if you don't have a Minky and you're a blanket person, you gotta get one. You have a queen-size gray Minky? So, AJ Dillon has a Minky. They are really expensive, but they're really nice. Gina has a Minky. Who has two Minkies? You have two Minkies. It's a blankie for adults, it is. Like, it's not, see Coco's blanket? It's kind of, that's fleece. Minky is way different. Oh no, Kim's got a Minky and her dog chewed it. Yeah, and Deborah's got a Minky. Check out So Sweet, So Sweet. What did I call it? I can't remember. You have to, if you don't have one, Emery, you gotta get one. AJ found out about the Minky and got one when they were on sale. They are like a big hug. Like it's hot, like it's heavy and super soft. I wouldn't say it's warm. It's just more of a texture and weight thing, really. They're like, I got one for Lennon and Jensa. Jensa has a king size one. I didn't look at the size. So she needs her boyfriend to help her carry it. Minky straight jacket. So sweet. Minky Designs. What did I say it is? So sweet. Anyways, that's where I got mine from. How much are Minkies? They're like, I don't know, it depends on the size. And depends on the design. I think mine, I don't know, you could probably get, how much was your Minky, AJ? You got yours on the Christmas sale? They're about $150 to start. But they're handmade, right? Yeah, you got to get a Minky, Marsha. That's how you learn about So Sweet Minkies. I don't know, if you sign up for their Facebook page, they have live sales. AJ got one for $100. Lisa was $150. Okay, So Sweet Minky Designs. Yeah, go on their Facebook too. It's like a family-run business, and they do live sales. $154. Sometimes they're under $100. You haven't heard of a Minky yet? We got to start a trend. We're trendsetters here, aren't we, Coco? With pink mohawks. Adult snugglers, yeah. You're on their site. Their pictures don't do them justice. Definitely. Like, on that site. Mine is pink with pink roses. It's so pretty. Like pink on the one side. Yes, we're still bird-fluencers. Pink on the one side, and then it's the white. I think they called it rose or something. One size, it has this diamond pattern. So one size has this diamond pattern, like that beautiful sort of old-fashioned diamond. And this side has like 3 types. It's got the old diamond and the rose. Oh, and this part is nice. And this is colored. Like, and it's heavy. This probably weighs about 10 pounds, maybe. No? You want to get in it? Bye, Coco. Bye, Coco. It's a really good one. I guess it's a family, and they make it in town, and just it's like actually a drama Minky page. Your autism is getting bad, but you're a tough cookie. You have to wrap up in one for the full experience, yes. Lisa got one because of me. I think everyone else here that has a Minky has one because of me. Or mostly. Well, Amy and they're not factory farmed at all. Hey, Anthony, how's it going? You won't save up for a Minky. Thank you, Linda. Are you rested up from your holiday dinner yesterday, Anthony? Is they're handmade by a family? There's other Minky sites. Yeah, they're definitely sick bed blankets. There's other Minky sites, but I know the quality from that one is good, so I don't want to recommend any other Minkies, and because I know the one I have is really nice. So I don't know if they're all the same standard or what. Maybe they have a sale now, like if you email them and say, oh, do you have a Black Friday sale? Maybe they have Black Friday stuff is like 30% off. Is Coco okay? Well, I don't know. Is that normal? Minky weather. It is. It was a nice day. I got a fleece blanket at the airport because it's so cold on the airplanes. I'd bring my Minky with me, but I don't want to wreck it or get it dirty or lose it. Way too special. You can get kids Minkies. You have a friend that would love a Minky? It's sold out of all their stuff on sale today. Oh no. I should get a commission. Well, email them and ask them if they're doing a live sale. They were doing a live sale today. It's kind of fun to watch the live sale because they hold the blanket up. All the designs are on sale, are sold out. The photographs aren't nice. Like the colors of the don't match the actual blanket. Like if you look at their pink stuff, it doesn't look like the pink I have. It's $25 right now. It's called So Sweet, S-E-W, Sweet, Minky Designs. So Google that. So Sweet Minky Designs. Yeah, Rue's not out here with Rue's not bugging us out here. Newman, see how they all preen together? That's a social thing. That's why when Coco's on my lap, she's clipped. Are the snugglers like Minkies? I don't know. Are they made with Minky fabric? Lisa's looks like a chinchilla. Bye, Betty. I bet you out east, you would love a Minky. Maybe someone local to you makes Minkies. You're going to have to check to see if it's the same fabric as a Minky. Now, there must be like what the blend is of on the fur. Like there must be a fabric blend that is the Minky fabric. I don't know. I'm just guessing right now. Coco's feet are cold. Cold, Coco. Brr. I'm fighting with the heat in this house. Design I want is not on sale. I was looking at the purple cacti. They had one of those left and I lost my 7% off code. It was like purple cactuses on it, or? You can get your code back. It's probably in your email. Your feet are cold too. I think if you got a Minky, I don't think anyone who's bought a Minky here regrets buying it. I'd love to get my birds ones. No, I wouldn't. The birds would chew them up. The design I want is looking at the purple cacti. So Sweet makes snugglers. I don't know if that's what you mean. You like Sherpa lined socks? Oh, those sound nice. Yeah, get him to buy you a Minky for Christmas. Make sure he gets a really nice one. Marshmallows on toy number 2. Which one does Marshmallow like the most? Hey, Mark. She doesn't need Minky toes. Put the on. Plop, plop. Poor Brad, I haven't done dishes in like a week and a half. He does them all. I don't feel like it. Does anyone watch sappy Christmas movies? I think lots of people do in here. They were talking about it. Purple edging and green cacti. After having a Minky, I would regret not getting one. Is there only one brand? I think a lot of people make Minkies, but I don't know the quality of them. I did see the memes, but the thing about it is, Mark, they're totally not the style of my page. People think if I posted those memes, people would think my page is hacked. Jane does dishes every day and loves doing them. The rope with the blocks and balls of wood, she loves destroying them and then anting. The rope. Oh, the plastic rope? Yeah, there's lots of Minky shops, but it doesn't mean that they're Minkies. They could be made in China, right? Not that there's anything wrong with things being made in China, but it's just like people import things and it's not the same quality. She will be? Coco? Is that true? Coco's broke. She's paying for her vet care right now. Only if Santa pays her. Oh, okay. You like the poly rope and the wood. Coco, do you want to be Coco Claus this year? I remember the first year we did that. It was so fun. We decorated her carrier up in a Christmas theme. And put Christmas decorations on it. And then we went to Greyhaven and we delivered toys there. And do you know where I got the idea from? Is there's a dash hound. A famous dash hound. I don't know what his name was. And people would send the dash hound gifts all the time. Balls and blankets and toys and treats. And he would collect all the gifts he got all year. So of course a little dash hound's not going to be able to use all those gifts. And they had the dash hound in like a cart, delivering toys to all the dogs in shelters. It was the cutest thing in the world. And I was like, I want Coco to do that. So that's what we did. Is there a Minky hangover? Well, if you buy like 3 Minkies because you can't decide which one, that might be a bit of a hangover. You're worried you won't get the best one? That's what... See, a lot of people, they buy things from China and they resell it as homemade. Like, I could say, oh, we got these beautiful homemade bird toys. And I could take a China toy and put a couple things on it to make it look like I made it. That's what goes on a lot now. Yeah. I guess if you look up online Minky stores and then Google reviews or whatever. If you Google the reviews on the store. Usually a store will say made in the USA. Like they'll proudly post that. I don't know, Palma, just stick with that one if you're worried, that company that we talked about. Join their Facebook page, message them and ask them when they're going to do their next live sale. But it's hard because those live sales, you get all caught up in the moment, you know what I mean? Have you ever shopped at a live sale? You get caught up in it. I might be doing a sale on 8th Avenue. Go to their website, So Sweet Minky Designs, and they might have the Facebook page hooked up to it. So then you know you have the right one. Yeah, you do get the... he didn't get his toys today, Anthony. I haven't ordered them yet. You're going to have to message me. Did you unlike it? Who unliked it? I'll like it back. We're going to have to sort this one out. Good night, Candy. We're going to go soon, too. We're going to go, and maybe I'll go live from Kelowna this weekend. See Brad's mom's house. You guys always like that. Her fancy house. Oh, it was your finger. See, nothing slides by me, April. Anyways, I'm going to let you guys go. Have a good night. Be good. And if I go live, it'll be on Facebook. So set your notify button on. And I don't know when I'm going to go live, so it'll be different. Because there's going to be kids and everything. Night, everybody. Hey, Sarah, you were quiet tonight. Good night, everyone. Oh, wish us luck on the roads, too, because we have to go on that treacherous highway with all the snow up in the mountains. And we're not taking our truck. Okay, everyone. Good night.